Hi, friends. Welcome to the last week of third grade and the last week of writing assignments and reading assignments and math assignments. You have come so far and you've learned so much this year. And this is exciting and also bittersweet. So let's take a look at our last Monday writing assignment. And so we are requesting that you end with showing all your writing skills from using capitals correctly, using periods, making sure you're writing in complete sentences, using paragraphs. When do we use paragraphs? When there's a new speaker, a new idea, when there's time that has moved forward, thinking about everything that you have learned this year and giving it your best. Okay, so let's see what today's writing assignment is. Today's writing assignment, and just before I start this week, the writing assignments, we do this in third grade, is really dedicated to thinking about the year, thinking about the beginning of the school year, the middle of the school year, the ending of the school year, and reflecting. That is such a big part of our Quaker practice, reflecting on ourselves and reflecting on the past and what is to come. So for today's writing assignment, let's see what it says. It says, what are three things you are proud of accomplishing this year and why? So, again, what are three things you are proud of accomplishing this year and why? And this word accomplishing means to achieve. Like if you may have set a goal for yourself and then you were able to achieve it. Okay. So, or it might have been something that you feel successful and you were able to do it. Okay. So to achieve. So when you respond to this, we would like you to use complete sentences to explain. You should have a total of, I would say, 3 paragraphs. Really push yourself because for 3 different ideas, we're going to need 3 different paragraphs that make sense, one for each idea. Each one should explain one thing you are proud of and tell why you are proud of for accomplishing each thing. Okay, so here is, I'm just giving you an example. You don't have to take all these words, but just giving you an idea of how you can use your words and sentences in paragraphs. Okay, use 4 to 5 sentences in each paragraph. We do not want to see one sentence and then another thinking that there's another paragraph, another sentence. So really be mindful. You're going to have to think deeply about yourself and all the wonderful work that you've done this year. What are 3 things that you have felt really proud of, okay, accomplishing? So I'm going to give you an example. It might be something as a learner, right? You may, coming into third grade, may have had a hard time with something in writing, for example. What was that something? And were you able to accomplish it? Okay. Think about those hopes and dreams that you wrote in the beginning of the school year. Do you remember what you wrote? If you didn't, that's okay. But if you remember, were you able to accomplish 1 or 2 or however many you wrote from those? So it's really reflection and also really making sure that these goals have to do with not just learning, reading, writing, math, social studies, spelling, all of those, but as a person too. Were you, as a person, are you able to now resolve conflict with friends peacefully? Are you choosing kinder words? These are just some examples. So we're not just looking for the learning in the classroom, but just as a human being, what kinds of things do you feel proud of accomplishing this year? Okay, so let me guide you through what kind of sentences you might use. So here's one paragraph, here's another one, here's the last one. They don't have to be super long, but we do want you to at the same time use details. One thing I am proud of this year is, whatever it might be, this is really important to me because now this is like you need to explain why this was important to you, that you accomplished this. And then accomplishing this made me feel, and this is going to be an emotion. We've been talking about emotions all year, how something makes you feel. Really important to name the emotion. So tell us how you feel, how you felt accomplishing that. Another thing I am proud of, again, we're looking at transition words too, right? So this is another one. Another thing I am proud of is when I was able to do this, it made me feel being able to do this is really important to me because, and explain yourself. Something else I am proud of this year is, and this is your last, whatever it is, accomplishment. This means a lot to me because, and now that I can do this, I feel so really thinking about emotions, why you feel proud of what you accomplished, and what it is that you accomplished. So really, those three things are what we're thinking about. Please let's use real care in the way we are using our words, making sure that we are ending off in a really positive way. Okay, so have fun with this, reflect. If you have trouble, reach out to your teacher, put it in Google Classroom, and we will help you. Okay, have a good day. Bye.